Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your checkout page on Shopify. So, basically, we're going to open up first our Shopify account into the platform. So, as you can see, we are on the admin dashboard of our account. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the settings. From here, we're going to select checkout, as you can see on the left side menu. And here, we're going to see the options that we have on the checkout. And these options are going to be like the customer contact method, the customer information that you're going to require into the checkout, the marketing options, the tipping. Here, as you can see, you can go ahead and put a tipping option into the cases of the checkout, and also the address collection preferences. Also, you can set up the order status page additional scripts. So, aside from that, you're going to get the checkout language and some checkout rules. When you finish with the editing of these rules and also these options, you're going to click on save. Now, how we can exactly get the checkout customization? This was only for the options that we can add to the checkout. Now, we are going to be back here into the Shopify admin dashboard. We're going to select the online store. From here, we are going to select the themes. And now we are going to open up our current theme. We're going to click on customize. And here we have the Shopify store builder. Now, we are going to click on the home page at the top. So this is the basic page, or the uh, page that we are going to open up or see whenever we are going to open the builder. We're going to see from this list or this drop down menu the lot of pages that we own. So we are going to select from them checkout. So here we have the checkout page and the customization we can add. So we can start by adding our logo. You're going to add an image to this specific case. Here we have, for example, this image. I'm going to add a random image to that you see how it will look. So we can go ahead and set up the width of the logo, for example, for this or that, make it bigger or smaller. Here we can set up the alignment for the logo to the center, to the right, or to the left. And you can also add a background image. If you want to add a background image, you can go ahead and do that. And this is going to be like the header of this one. So I'm going to remove that. Now, here we have the backgrounds. We have the colors that they have chosen in here, and etc. Now, for these type or these, as you can see, content, you can see that we have the contact, the delivery, or the, let's say, the checkout options. So you can go ahead and modify these. All about these information that are put on the screen are going to be suggested on here, because they have, as you can see, the address generator, so it will help you right there put the information. That was for the settings. Now for the sections, you can go ahead and add or customize with the app blocks. Right there, you can go ahead here and add some app blocks. For example, you can search on the Shopify store for some specific, let's say here, apps or integration that will help you to add some apps right there, or app blocks that could be helping you from here. So here basically you can change the background of this specific area. So I will let you see here, or the background of the checkout, all of it. So here it is highly recommended to set up here a colorful, or a let's say here maybe a color background and some layers or strips that you can use on the background. You are going to need here something unique and also not very hard to distinguish. So you are going to set up something simple. You can change the background color if you do not want to add an image, for example, like that. You can make it like this and take here everything like that. It is a little bit clean. So we can have also the second background that we can put right there, which is the second part of the section right there of the, as you can see here, we have two sections. We have the first section, which is going to contain our customers' information, and the second section, or the little proportion section, like there at the right side of the screen, will get the subtotal, the shipping cost, and also the resume of the cart that we have or the customer have set. Now, aside from that, you can change the colors that has been put right there for the error, for the button, and for the accent. Here you can see that we have a form field and card background. You can make it transparent or white, and these are the card backgrounds right there, or the form field. And now for the typography, you can see that we can modify the heading and the body. For the heading, they are going to be right there. So we have the default one for the heading. So let's go ahead and change it a little bit and see how they will look. So the headings, as you can consider, are going to be right there, the titles. And the body are going to be the text inside the boxes, or the field boxes right there. You can go ahead and change them like that and see the difference. Now I'm going to put them something like that, or something like this. You can go ahead and match the headings with bodies, but it is not very practical, so you need to put them here apart. Or if you are going to make a theme right there, um, typography or font, you can go ahead and do that and it will be unique. So here we have the checkout layout. So you can see that we have one page, and here we have two options. We have the one page checkout, which is going to be like this. Every information or single information that you need from the clients are going to be only in one page. Or you can have the 3-page checkout. So right there, when you click on this, you're going to see here a list of the checkout procedure. We have the information about the client, as you can see. And the second part, or the second step, is going to be filling up the shipping. For example, I am going to click on continue to shipping. It will continue right there to the shipping. And the last part is going to be the payment. Here, unlike the one page checkout, everything is going to be in only one page, like the shipment or the shipping, and also the payment. And you are going to click on pay now. The use of these layouts are going to be dependent on the preferences. If you are going to make a little bit faster, let's say checkouts, you are going to use the one page. If you are going to use or make a little bit here on time on the checkout, you can go ahead and use 3 pages. But the recommended one is going to be this one. So right there, we have the last option on the checkout customization, which is going to be the address auto completion, which is like this. So this will help the customers generate right there the addresses, the postal codes, and the cities here, depending on only one letter choice or 2-letter choice, and it will be like this. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.